Hello class 6, welcome back in my GK class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's continue with chapter 12. In this lesson, you are going to understand about animal world. Means in the world there are different types of the animals. Some animals with pictures in this lesson are there. You have to understand this one now. Just see here, this one the first gharial. I am just short explanation about the gharial. It has aquatic lifestyle which is found in rivers of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Myanmar. Okay, aquatic life you know very well means it is it lives into the water, living animals. This is a living animals. Now another one is second number is the tapir. Tapirs generally live in the forest and the grassland of Central and South America. Forest, it is live into only forest and grassland, Central and South America. Okay dear, now your third number, this picture is of moose, MOOSC, moose. Then this is the largest of all the deer species. डियर के जो स्पीसीज होते हैं उसमें सबसे लार्जेस्ट ये मूस होता है. Now fourth one is the wolverine, WOLVERINE, wolverine. I'm just short explanation about the wolverine. Wolverine occurs within a wide variety of habitats. Forest of tundra, Canada and Alaska. This is also occur into the forest and names of the forest countries name is tundra, Canada and Alaska. Another one is sloth, SLOTH, sloth. Sloth are extremely slow moving mammals. Slow moving mammals found in the rainforest canopies of Central and South America. Now another one is gecko, GECKO, gecko. Geckos are mostly small, usually nocturnal reptiles with a soft skin. There you know here the nocturnal reptiles means the animals, the reptiles which active in the night time and sleep into the daytime, that is known as the nocturnal reptiles, nocturnal animals. Okay, another one is mandrills. This one the mandrills. MANDRILL, mandrills. The mandrill is a primate of the old world monkey family. Okay, now another one is slow loris, SLOW, slow, LORIS, loris, slow loris. Slow loris are the group of several species of nocturnal primates. Another one is manatee. This one, the last one, manatee. Manatees are the large, fully aquatic, mostly herbivores, marine mammals, sometimes known as sea cows also. Okay dear, now I hope you understood the animals which picture in this page, you all understood about that one. And after that, last para is there. On 22nd October 2010, the elephant was declared as a national heritage animal by the Ministry of Environment and the Forest. Elephant declared as a national heritage animal. Okay, now I am just describing you next lesson means 12, 13. In the 13th lesson, you all are seeing here the natural fibers. There are different types of the fibers into the nature. We all are using different types of fibers, natural fibers and artificial fibers. In this lesson, you are going to understand about the natural fibers, means fibers which take from the nature, which release from the natural substances known as the natural fibers. Here first number is, this one, silk is an animal fiber. obtained from the cocoon of silkworms. You have to tick the options true or false. You have to select the options true or false. This is the true, because silk is an animal fiber obtained from cocoons of silkworms. And another one, second, is the coir. Fibers are extracted from the husk of the bananas plant. There is bananas, no, coconut plant should be there. So we have to put the false here. Okay, now third one is cotton is a soft fiber that grow around the leaves and of the cotton plant. Dear, here also this is also false, because there is leaves written. On the place of leaves it should be seed. Okay, now fourth number is the flax fiber is obtained from the stem of the plant. You have to tick the correct option true or false. True is the right answer. Okay, now fifth number is hemp fiber is obtained from the seed of the plant. You have to select the option false. Not seed, stalk of the plant means stem of the plant. Okay, now next one, 6 is the jute is extracted from the bark of the white jute plant. This is the true. Now next 7, pure Kashmiri fiber is a product of the Kashmiri rabbit. There is no rabbit. It should be the, on the place of rabbit, it should be the goat. Kashmiri goat. So this is the false. 7th number is the false. 8th question is the sisal fiber is extracted from the leaves of the plant. This is the true. Okay dear, I hope you understood this names of the fibers, different names of the fibers you also hear. Now I am going on to the another lesson, means lesson is 14. In this lesson, you are going to understand about the plant adaptations, means the place where plants survive their life. और ईच एंड एवरी प्लेसेस प्लांट कैन नॉट सर्वाइव देयर लाइफ. तो प्लांट जिस प्लेस पे अपने लाइफ को प्रॉपर तरीके से सर्वाइव करता है, उस प्लेस को हम कहते हैं प्लांट एडेप्टेशंस. प्लांट कैन सर्वाइव देयर लाइफ ऑन टू द हिली एरियाज, लैंड, वाटर, ईच एंड एवरी प्लेसेस, बट circumference should be proper according to their living places. Now first number is, wait, there is a first number. You have first question is there. Read about the given adaptations and state whether they are true or false. They, in this lesson you have to only select true and false. First number, swollen and spongy petioles of leaf stalks keeps the water hyacinth afloat. True, this is the true. Now second number is onion and garlic bulbs have modified leaves for storing food. This is the modified leaves. These are bulbs. We are using the garlic bulbs and onion bulbs. It is not a root, it is a modified leaves. So this is the true. Now second is a true. And third one is plants like sugarcane and prop roots that grow from the lower nodes of the plant. This one is the prop roots. Place of the prop roots, there should be a stilt roots. It means it is a false. Okay, right, there should be a stilt root, not prop roots, so it is a false. Now fourth number, found in Sundarbans and the Sundari trees has nematophores that grow upward from its root system to take in oxygen from the air. True, मीन्स इसके जो रूट्स होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, जैसे वर्टिकली डाउन डायरेक्शन में रूट जनरली जाता है, ज़मीन के अंदर वर्टिकली डाउन जाता है, लेकिन इस जो ये जो प्लांट्स है, सुंदरी ट्रीज़ के जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, इनके रूट्स अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आता है और एटमॉस्फेयर के ऑक्सीजन को लेता है और इससे ये अपने टेक इन ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम द एयर. ओके, आपको पता है कि फोटोसिंथेसिस में किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, ब्रीथिंग में किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है प्लांट्स के लिए. फोटोसिंथेसिस में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, बट जब प्लांट ब्रीथिंग करता है तो उस टाइम में प्लांट को भी हमारी तरह ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द फिफ्थ नंबर क्वेश्चन इज वीक स्टीम्ड प्लांट्स लाइक मनी प्लांट डेवलप्ड रूट्स फ्रॉम नोड्स दैट हेल्प देम क्लाइंब. ट्रू, राइट. Now this is the 6th number question. Now next 6th number question is this one, the 6th. A potato is a rhizome, not rhizome. All the pulses plant is a rhizome. Potato is a rhizome or swollen underground stem characterized by eyes. It is a false. Okay, it is a tuber. it is not rhizome. Characterized by its eyes, it is a tuber. Now next one is a seventh number question is a epiphytes are the plants that have aerial roots to absorb moisture from the host plant. Aerial roots. This is the moisture from plant, absorb moisture from the host plant. It is false because it absorb moisture from air, not from host plant. There is a written host plant. Question number this one the 7. So this written is the host plant. It is a wrong. On the place of host plant, there should be the moisture from the air. Now question number 8. The leaves of the cactus plant are capable of photosynthesis. According to you, it is right? No, it is false. Leaves is there because this one the stem. Leaves is pin type structure, means nails type structure, that is the leaves of the cactus plant, but green parts is the stem part, that is capable of photosynthesis in the cactus plant. So it is a 8th number is a false. Question number 9. Intensive roots of the grasses in the prairies absorb more moisture from the ground and prevent the grazing animals from the pulling them out. This one, pulling them out. This is the true. Question number last 10. Trees with needle-like leaves retain less water than broad leaves. So it is a false. They retain more water. Okay. Now in this same page, this one the last para. Last para is telling to you all the term plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant, is also used for factories, place where an industrial or manufacturing processes takes place. उसको भी तो हम प्लांट ही कहते हैं. जब भी कोई फैक्ट्री लगाता है तो वो यूज़ करते हैं कि हमने एक प्लांट लगाई है. तो जो द पीपल those who can understand this one कि what is the sense of the telling this plant here, they can understand this one plant. So the term plant is also used for factories, place where an industrial or manufacturing processes takes place. Okay, now dear class 6, I hope you all understood this one, 12, 13 and 14 chapter. Okay, after understanding this one, you read the lesson again. Okay, bye.